guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I figured we can do a simple, easy, everyday makeup look. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yup, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. All right, cool. I just have some products here that I like to use like on an everyday basis. And it's not necessarily the products. It's just the application of what you want to use. Now, let's just start off by everyone has their own definition of easy everyday makeup. For me personally, if I'm like legit like every day, I will just throw on like a tinted SPF. You guys know how much I absolutely love the CeraVe sheer tint SPF 30, which I love. Girl, I will just put that on with some lip gloss and call it a day. That's what I would normally do. But I'm just talking like everyday makeup, like you have a little bit of makeup on, a little bit. So that's what we're going to do. I have been enjoying what I do with it. Here it is. To really spot conceal and then use really minimal foundation. I have noticed since I've been doing that, girl, you've been using a lot of foundation that it's just not necessary for me. P.S. You guys do whatever you want. I'm just sharing things that work for me and they may not necessarily work for you. Everybody does what they want to do. So I like to go in with the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. You know how much I love this one. I use the N3 to spot conceal, and then I use like the N1 to go underneath. So let's just start off with that tiny bit. I'm going to also take most of the product off and just a little bit of spot concealing. This little lover over here. I do have some sun damage over here. For some reason, I'm getting like this red little, it almost looks like broken blood vessels ish. So I like to cover that. I do have some broken blood vessels along my nose over here. Of course, why you gotta give me a mustache, girl? Why? Because I'm Italian. Is that it? Because I'm Italian? All right. Yes. What I do like about this kind of application is that and you guys know your own skin, you know your own face. Like I have dry patches between my eyes, like across my forehead, and of course on the sides of my mouth. Go figure. But so like I was telling you before, I have noticed since I've been doing this, I use way less foundation. I am going to put like a little bit right on this little bump. I don't know what it is. The kids ask me all the time, Mom, what is that? I got like after I had the girls, like after I got pregnant, and you know how like sometimes it's hormonal. It's hormonal, and you get like those skin tags and stuff like that. So I had the skin tags removed, and then like this bump came, and I had it removed, and then like for some reason this one grew back. So I don't want to fool around with it again. I just leave it just like that. Then I go in with a light foundation, skin tint, whatever. I love the L'Oreal True Match. This is the True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. I have mine in 2-3. I usually use this in the winter, and then I'll use like a 3-4. Is it a 3-4, 4-5, whatever? I'll use that in the summertime. I grabbed these pumps from Amazon. I will leave it below. Can't stand the dropper. Can't stand it. Now for this, like legit, that was maybe 1/4 of a pump. And even that may be a lot. Not sure. I take it like this. I know some people don't like to use their hands. I think they're the best tools. And I'll just dot just a little bit, nothing earth-shattering, because I will tell you that concealer that we did, it really does go a long way. I'm going to go in with my Stands Out sponge. It's dirty, and it's okay. Love it. I love this, and of course, I use it dry. So I'm just going to pat. My voice is a little bit hoarse this morning. We went out last night to my favorite cousin in the whole wide world. He turned 60. He texted me yesterday morning, cuz, do you believe it? You believe I'm 60? I'm like, no, boo. I do not believe it. I said, you don't look it. You don't act it. I don't think you feel like it. So it's like, it's just a number, my man. It's just a number. Look how pretty that is. not too much. Whatever I have left over, just a little bit. P.S. I'm using Ricky Loves Ricky mirrors. This one is the cutie. I'm also on the tall, and I also have a skinny. I have so many. They are a little bit expensive. I'm just going to go down the neck a little bit. But, girl, I just wait till they go on sale. And I grab a little bit at a time. Okay, so that is good. So nice. Now, what I like to do at this stage of the game is I like to put my setting spray on just so the foundation could kind of like blend in and mix in well with my skin. So, and furthermore, it is winter time, girl. My skin is so dry. I don't know how much water I need to drink, how much I need to prep. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. Did I tell you I'm going in with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Blue Light Mist? Love this product. Okay, so just like that. I'm going to pat lightly and gingerly just to get that in. And that's it. Super duper light. Goodbye and good luck. Real nice. I'm going to just grab a shadow. And it just so happens that I have the Sigma. This is the Sigma Ivy palette on hand. But girl, you're gonna say, that is not an everyday palette. This is not everyday, girl. But you know what? I'm going to just use this color over here. Maybe a little bit over there. Nothing earth-shattering. So I'm going to just grab my dirty brushes and I'm going to go right into that color. It's called Mead. I'm going to go all over the lid. Yep, all over. And I'm going to go all the way up to my brow. Nice and simple. There you go. Easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy. Nice and simple. Then I'm going to just go in with a little bronzer just to give my face a little bit of color and bring some liveliness back into it. I'm just going to grab the Huda Beauty Glow Wish, which you know how much I love it. It's these doggone swirls. Love, love, love them. So I'm going to just go in lightly. We're not going all out contouring, any of that. We're just throwing in a little bit of color back into our face. Even that alone, isn't that beautiful? It's going to go down the neck. I have a hive under here. No need to fear, girl. It's okay. Look at that. Even that is just... Okay, just like that. Nothing crazy. Beautiful. Very simple. Going in with a little bit of blush. This is the blush from Essence. It's called Befitting, which I think is so befitting. You see what I did there? I think it's so pretty. This is one of my favorite colors. A little bit of blusheroonie. Tiny, tiny bit. Leave me some comments below. Out of curiosity, I would love to know what is your like everyday go-to makeup. Like I'm going to the store, I'm going to the mall, I'm running to do a little food shopping, blah, blah, blah. I'm curious of what your everyday is. And again, everyday means something different for everyone. So I'm just super duper curious. A cute little love note. If you want to do like a little bit of extra dimension on your eyes, you do whatever you want. You do you. I'm going to just take the blush and let me see. I'm just going to grab this, the BK Beauty 206. I'm going to just grab the blush right over here. Just put it in my crease. You don't have to, but I figured why the hell not? It's right here. And it will incorporate the same color that you have on your face into your eyes, like the same tone, you know? Pretty. Love, love, love. Nice, nice, nice. Listen, I like highlighter every day. You may not. Highlighter may not be part of your everyday routine, but I like a little bit of highlighter. I just have this Dior. This is the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette. I have this in 00 Universal. I think I'm going to just grab these two right over here and throw myself a little bit of highlighter. A little bit. Nothing crazy. Right? Cute. Very, very pretty. That is so freaking nice. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. A little bit on the nose. Cupid's bow. Real. You know what? As I'm sitting here thinking about it, I don't even have any eyebrow products because I don't really do my eyebrows on a daily because I think they're okay. They look all right. Looky, some people may think, oh, I don't think so, girl. But I think they look just fine. A little bit of concealer. I am using Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer, which I love. Tiny bit, tiny, tiny bit. Because listen, you can't go, listen, I hate to say you can't. You can do whatever you want. For me, I'm not going to go like all light all over the face and have full ass coverage under my eye. I don't think so. Tiny bit. Look how pretty that looks. I just want to put a tiny bit more. It's like right in these creases, like right here. I also am getting a hive over here. I don't know if you could see it, but girl, don't touch it. Because if I touch it, it's all downhill. Okay, that is so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? So, so nice. I'm going to go back in and put a little bit more setting spray on. I like to use setting spray in layers. I just feel like it makes my makeup last longer. And it just gives, like, it just refreshes my face. That is so pretty. Beautiful. That's so, so nice. So for eyeliner, you know, I've been loving this. This is the Essence Stay and Play Waterproof Eyeliner. And this is in 02, but first espresso. I'm going to just tight line. It makes such a big difference. I mean, you can definitely go like this. Throw a little bit of mascara on, some lip balm, and call it a day. Perfectly fine. But, like, I like to just use the eyes if I'm going to do anything extra. And I think tight lining makes such a difference. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference. It's so nice. Okie dokes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. I like to just sit with my eyeliner a little bit because I feel like if I just put on my eyeliner and then I go and curl my eyelashes, I feel like all my eyeliner kind of like comes off. So I let that sit for a minute. So while that sits, let's just do our lips. I just have a little bit of lip balm on. And I just rub that little lever in like that. And I'm going to grab, and listen, some people may think like lip liner is not an everyday, but for me, I like to do a little bit of a lip liner. I will line my lips. I will film in a little bit, blend a little bit, and then just throw a gloss on it. Or you could just put a gloss. I just grabbed the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss, and this one is in Coconuts About You. You could do whatever you want. I just like to do a little bit of a lip liner. I love these Natasha Denona's. I need a nude because they stay. They don't budge. So I always feel like, even like when the lip glosses like wear off, like you still have a little bit of color and a little bit of like a liveliness like on your lips. So that's why I like to use the liner. This needs to be sharpened. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, by the way, this one is in MP3 Julia. All the ones that I love, that I Need a Nudes, they're all like the same kind of tone. This is like the darkest of the colors, but they have that same like cool undertone, which I love. Okay, so I line the lips. I'm going to just fill them in a little bit here. All right, that's perfect. And I'm going to blend this in. I don't want to have harsh lines because, like I said, when the lip gloss or lipstick or whatever you have like wears off, you don't want to just have like a line. Or maybe you like that. If you do, then do that. Not a big deal. But I love this blended look. It almost like looks kind of like someone gave you like a nice passionate kiss and like messed up your lip smacking, which is not wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that. But anyway, look how pretty, right? That looks so nice. Okay, so I'm going to just throw on a gloss. Any gloss that you want. And I'm going to just take this and put it on my hand because I don't want to mess up the color. And I'm just going to go grab it. Yeah. That is so freaking pretty. Look at that. Isn't that so nice, right? Okay, let's go in and curl the lashes. I was going to say, where the hell did it go? But it's right in front of my eyes, girl. Right in my eyes. Okey-dokes. And listen, I didn't even realize I grabbed all these CoverGirl products, but I am using the CoverGirl. This is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Stretch and Strengthening Mascara. So, so nice. Although the brush is enormous, you know, underneath. We're going to make a mess. You know that. Okay, look at that. I love this mascara. One coat. Isn't that nice? Now, if you want to keep it like this and just go on your merry way, look, it's very clean, right? It's clean, it's simple. But if you want to just throw a little bit of mascara underneath, go right ahead. Okay, I just want to show you the difference. I mean, to me, it's a big difference. It opens up your eyes. Like, this eye looks like a little smaller, like a little thinner, but like a little bit of mascara underneath. Isn't that pretty? And look, you may like that look. It's up to you. Like, I know a lot of people that don't like to put mascara on their lower lashes. I personally don't care for that look on me, but you do you. Simple. Yeah, we made a little bit of a mess. This is a big wand. And let's see, do we have anything else to do? No, that is it. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. Look how simple and beautiful. I'm doing this video on my phone. It's not even 20 minutes. It's like 18 minutes. It is such an easy, simple look. And listen, if we weren't chit-chatting, you could have it done in like 10 minutes. Anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video on a simple, easy makeup look. What do you guys think? I think it came out so cute. I think it came out really, really cute. Anyway, so that is it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.